What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video. And in this video, I'm bringing you the heavy duty UAG cases, the Monarch Pro series. Now, these cases do retail for $99, and there's a specific reason why. It does have 25-foot drop protection, the highest rating you can get basically on pretty much a lot of majority cases that are out on the market today. You can get this in a black, carbon fiber, Kevlar black, which is this one, Kevlar black, Kevlar element. It does have Kevlar silver, mallard blue, rust, silver. If you go for the mallard or the rust or the silver, you can get it for a slightly lesser price of $79.95. If you're interested in this case, by all means, use my links down below, and it will take you directly to these cases. And again, it does help the channel out, and I get a nice small little kickback, and I would appreciate that if you use my links below. Now, again, like I said, this is the heavy duty one. This one has a Kevlar trim around it. Um, it is DuPont Kevlar reinforced inlay, built-in magnet for MagSafe technology, handcrafted, 5 layers of protection. Traction grip on the side, a protective screen surround, and it does have a nice look to this case. Let's check the Kevlar one out. By far one of the better looking cases I've seen in quite some time. Does have the screws uh, screwed in type of industrial look. UAG branding. Does have the padded interior. Nice little, has a little play to it. The corners are reinforced. Has the nice blunted corners for that corner protection. See how I look on the iPhone. Looks real clean. I like this look. Does have major protection around that screen. The cutouts on the bottom is on point. Should have no problems. Does have the cutouts on the bottom for lanyard threading. Does have raised corner bumps right here, so you can get even more clearance when you're laying it on the back. No problem with that at all. Again, does have a raised power button and volume rocker, and does have the nice grips on the side so you don't lose or make any mistakes of dropping it. Let's check out the power button. The buttons are on point. Volume rocker, no problem with that. And very nice cutout so you can reach the action button. So you shouldn't have any problems with that. Let's check out the magnetic. Nice strong magnet, so you don't have any problems with that. So if you have any MagSafe chargers, you should be good with that. Again, this case does retail for $99.95, I think I said. $99.95, and again, there do have 3 of them that comes close to $79.95. Very comfortable in the hand. Is even though this is a heavy duty case, it doesn't add a lot of bulk to an already larger phone. Let's quickly check out the rust, see what it looks like. Real nice and clean. I like that look. Got the branding, same lip protection, same raised corner, that nice industrial screw look. MagSafe, power buttons on point. Up and down volume rocker, doesn't already feel like they're broken in. Easy access to the action button, no problem with that. Same raised lip protection, same camera protection, same cutouts on the bottom for the lanyard also, and pretty much ample space to get your charging cable up into plugged in. Check out the MagSafe. No problem with the MagSafe technology. So again, I will leave all the links to this case down below if you're interested in it. This is the Uag Monarch Pro. Remember, there's a difference. This is the Pro series. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you in the next one. I'm out.